Welcome to my channel, beautiful people. My name is Chikelly. If you're visiting my channel for the first time, I'm glad to have you here. My channel is about skincare. I do a lot of beauty secret recipes, anything that fights premature aging. I have a lot of videos about how you can fight hyperpigmentation, acne. Most of my recipes are mainly to achieve glowing skin, so I urge you to check my other videos so that you can watch them and keep your skin glowing. Okay, and thank you so much for your support. So what is this video about? I did a few weeks ago, I did a video on anti-aging facial for mature skin, and in that video I said that this facial is mainly done, like I do it like 2 to 3 times a week. So after that, I've been getting a lot of messages from my viewers to say to do another video to show what I use on my skin on a daily basis, more like my daily skincare routine. So that is what I'm going to do in this video. I'm going to show you the product that I use on a daily basis on my skin, and I'll show you how I do my facial, my daily facial, more like my daily skincare routine. If you're watching my video and you haven't subscribed to my channel, please, I need your support. Click the subscribe button and the notification button as well. Please, 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 I need your support, and thank you so much as you do. So when it comes to looking after your skin, having your daily skincare routine, it doesn't really take an arm to do that. It's a procedure that usually takes few minutes, and regular use of if you do it consistently, you end up with a very good and healthy looking skin. So I'm going to take you to step by step of what I do, and as you're watching this video, you can actually figure it out that it doesn't take that long time to have a daily skincare routine and help your skin to look healthy, and at the end you will end up with a glowing looking skin. The first thing is, my skin is combination skin. I did a video about how to know your skin type. So once you know your skin type, then you follow the same procedure that I'm going to show you right now. But if you have dry skin, or if you have oily skin, or if you have sensitive skin, normal skin, you may end up using a different product from what I'm using. So I don't want you to go buying the same product that I'm using because you saw me use it. No, I want you to go buy products but follow the same procedure. Go buy product based on your skin type, but follow the same procedure that I'm going to show you, and I promise you, you're going to end up with a healthy, glowing skin. Okay, so let's get down to it. Sorry. Let's get straight to the video. So the first thing I do is I wet my face with warm water before I use any cleanser. Okay, on my neck. This is the cleanser that I use. I don't know if you can see it. Drops of Youth from Body Shop. See if you can see it. So Drops of Youth Gentle Foaming Cleanser. So because I have combination skin, I use a foaming cleanser, especially in the evening time when my skin has gone through a lot of stress. Okay, so this is a cleanser. I like this cleanser a lot because it doesn't dry out your skin. So your skin is wet before you use any cleanser. And I like this cleanser a lot because it cleanses all the makeup. If you have any makeup, I don't have any makeup on my face right now, but so after cleansing my face, the next thing I usually do is I use, this is a mixture, I don't know if you can see, this is a mixture of coconut oil with shea butter. So I just dab it. This cotton wool is wet because I don't like using dry cotton wool on my face, because dry cotton wool drags your skin and it can cause your skin to wrinkle. So I use this, and if I have any remaining mascara, because yesterday night I wore makeup, so look, see that any remaining mascara that is left. So you see, I'm not rubbing it, I'm just flipping it up like that. See, you see mascara still left on my. So this procedure really cleans of any residue, any makeup on your face. And I like it because you know, under your eyes can really dry a lot. So this coconut oil and shea butter helps to moisturize my under eye. So you see, there's some makeup left out there. See? So I make sure I clean it really well, so there is none left. Okay. So when I finish that, I use, this is a slice of cucumber. I rub it all over under my eyes. Okay. Mainly if I'm going to bed, I do this, but if I'm not going to bed, I don't do the eye part. If I'm just washing and going out, what I do is that I just use the cleanser, I use toner, and then my moisturizer. But in the evening time before I go to bed, this is what I usually do. So when I finished with the cleanser, the coconut oil and shea butter to clean the remaining traces of makeup on my eyes and my eye area, then I use this BADESCU facial spray with aloe herbs and rose water. I don't know if you can see it. This is what I use. So I just use it to spray all over my face. So because I have a combination skin, part of my face, my chin area is usually a little bit dry compared to my forehead and my nose and my chin. So I normally like to use anything that will hydrate my skin and stop the overproduction of oil around my forehead and my nose and my chin. So this really helps me a lot. I find that every time I use it, it really helps my skin to glow and not produce too much oil. When I finish with that, the next thing I do is my serum. I'm a lover of serum. I love serum so much because serum, especially anti-aging serum, it helps to plump my skin. It helps to keep the texture of my skin very firm, and it helps to reduce, reduce premature aging and stop me from getting stop my skin from sagging. Okay, so what I do is I use this hyaluronic acid serum. It's from Esther Wood Naturals, and it has it said hyaluronic acid with anti-aging. It's an anti-aging serum. This is what I use on my face. I don't know if you can see that. So I use this every night before I go to bed. This is what I put on my face. So all you need is just 2 pumps So I put it on the tip of my finger and I dab it first all over my face and my neck, and then I massage. Always massage your skin in upward direction, because you don't want to be dragging your skin down, because it will cause your skin to wrinkle or to sag. Okay, so when I finish with my serum, most times I put moisturizer, most times I don't put moisturizer, depending on what the texture of my skin is and what my skin has gone through for that day. So this is the moisturizer that I use, Mary Kay Age Fighting Moisturizer for combination to oily skin. But I don't use moisturizer all the time. I normally use moisturizer. Let's say I go out, if I've overworked my skin a lot for that day, then I use moisturizer. But if I'm at home from morning till night, I only use this serum. And this serum is very good for hydrating your skin. That is what hyaluronic acid does. It helps to hydrate your skin. So all I do is I just use a little pump, see, just a pump size, because it's only for your face and your neck. So you dab it. Do you remember when I said if you're using any cream, don't put it on the palm of your hand and rub it all like that, because now you finish the cream on your hand, so all you just be putting on your face will just be left over. So just dab it on your face and then use the tip of your finger, your thumb to massage, okay? And then all your palm, massage it all over your neck. Always massage your face upwards, okay? Try and get around your nose areas, because this is where all the pores, the large pores are, okay? Now, when I finish, I use the coconut oil and shea butter and I apply it on my lips. And sometimes I just put it on my eyebrow, or most times I just use castor oil. But every night I always apply apply coconut oil and shea butter on my lips, and I've never had dry lips ever before. No, never had dry lips. Okay, so this is what I use. I'm going to put the list of the products. I'll put the list of the products on the description of this video, and just to tell you what I use and what it does to my skin, so that if it's something that you want to buy, you can just I'll put a link as well where I bought them from. There will be a link on this video in the description box, so check it out. I'll put a link where I bought the products and what it does to my skin. So if you have combination skin or oily skin, you can go ahead and buy it. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to click the subscribe button and the notification button as well, so that you receive new video uploads from me. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up, and hope to see you very, very soon with another juicy video. Take care, and remember, Chika loves you. Bye.